Welcome back to our Google Classroom tutorial. In this video, I'd like to talk about the stream. The stream is what your students see and where you're going to put all of your materials for students. The first thing you want to look at here is this topic box. We can think of adding topics like organizing our work into sections. So if our topic is grammar, I can add that topic. And then whenever I post, we're going to cover grammar, but we're also going to do some vocabulary. Alright, so now I have two separate topics. And whenever I post things to the stream, I can choose where I want to put them so that students can click on these. And when they do, they're going to get a sense of what all is in that section. So there's no post yet for grammar or vocabulary, but there will be some soon. Okay. If you want to put something in the stream, you can go down to this little plus arrow down here and we can create an announcement, an assignment, a question, or we use an old post that we'd like to post for students again. So let's create an announcement. When you create an announcement, you see this, we're going to see the topic reoccurring again, and let's say I'm going to do something about grammar. So this is all going to go under grammar. I'm going to tell the class, here is a grammar video. And see down here you can link to something from your computer, an attachment. I've told my class I'm going to give them a video, so I'm going to go to the YouTube link. And once connected with YouTube, I'm going to search my name because I have put some videos here for my students. I made a video about grammar, okay, so I'm going to add that video and I'm going to post it. So now this is what students see. Now if we go to the grammar topic, they can see everything associated with grammar. And they can watch that video. You can also create an announcement that connects to your Google Drive. If you have something in your Drive that you want to upload, you can do that there. You can do an attachment from your computer, or you can do a link where students can go to find what you want them to see. The second feature here we're going to look at is creating an assignment. When you create an assignment, we're going to call this we'll call it their grammar test. You can say which students you want to give it to. Right now we don't have any students enrolled, but if we did, you would see a drop box of all their names, and we could check which students we want to tell to take this test. If you want all students, just click all students and then they'll all see it. We can give them instructions if we want to, or this is cool, we can tell them when it's due. Now if the due date, if you don't want to, the topic we want to say, this is a grammar test, it's going to go under grammar, and we can say the due date, there's a calendar, we can say this test is going to be on November 15th. We assign that, and you notice it gets this little box with a clipboard in it if it's a test. So when students go in here, and go grammar, they know they have a test, and if they want to study for it, they can watch your video. It's also going to be on the calendar and about. If you go to the classroom calendar, we're going to see, there's that test. Okay, so if we go back to the stream, the last feature of the stream that's cool is that you can create a class question. So maybe I want to ask, what is the difference between dynamic and emphatic? And these were two vocabulary words we just said. So we're going to say this is under vocabulary. And I'm going to tell them I'd like for them to answer this question by Thursday. And students can reply to each other. If you don't want them to talk to each other, then don't click that. And students can edit their answer. Once they answer, maybe they can change their answer. You can make the short answer or multiple choice. I'm going to go ahead and, this is more of an essay question. I should put a question mark on it. Okay, and now I'm going to ask them. Ask students this. So now, it's in bold. They know. I can click on it and know who has done it and not done it, which is a cool feature. But for now, that's how students would see that input of multiple choice or short answer questions. If I want to reuse an old post, I can choose from any of my periods. Say I want something from this class because they had something cool. I can select something, the test retake. I'm going to reuse that for this next class. And I'm going to assign it to them. Do your test retake. When you're creating an assignment, the last cool option that they give you is you can determine how many of your classes. Maybe I have multiple sections of this and I don't want to do this 7 times. I can put it in all of my English periods and create just one assignment and give it to them there. I won't, because my other students will freak out and think I'm giving them a test. Alright, and that is how you can use your stream in an organized fashion.